In this video, the altcoin market is currently stalling against Bitcoin. Stay tuned to know more. Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video first. So let's look at the Bitcoin price for the short term verse before we dive into any other topics. So right now, Bitcoin is relatively just consolidating above the 54,000 US dollars, within or above, you could say. Looking at this in the RSI, you can see now we are now getting below the overbought area, so indicating na this is a good consolidation. And as always, ang aking ina-expect pa din in the coming days is more of a consolidation area, such as this area around the 20 and 50 moving average. So that's what I've been expecting most for the coming days. It's either now we are going to consolidate or have a pullback to the 50 moving average. But either way, you are going to still stay above this 50,000 US dollars, or it will just relatively move sideways within the 50,000 up until the 55,000 US dollars. The next target is still the 58,000. So that's the target area na kailangan natin tingnan. Not much pa din for the Bitcoin price action, and it's just consolidating right now for the time being. And I want to talk about this specific topic na nangyari ngayon, which is the altcoin market. So let's give you an update dito sa ating 10K challenge. So as you can recall guys, the purpose of our 10K challenge is for us to determine which asset will give us the highest return in the crypto market. So we have allocated Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, and others. And it's because there are some people who are saying na, I'm not buying Bitcoin because it's expensive. So thus, malit do yung profit doon. That's not true. The reason why we buy Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is the king, and of course, everything is dependent on the Bitcoin fundamentals. So if you are saying na you're not going to buy Bitcoin because it's expensive, then let's show you a data kung bakit that statement is wrong. So despite of Bitcoin having a very high rate na nga sa ngayon, you could see the returns na nakuha natin is higher when you are going to buy Bitcoin. So of course, itong mga asset na to, they are going to perform better if Bitcoin is going to give them a window area. And right now, wala tayo sa window area na binibigay ni Bitcoin dun sa mga asset na yun. So the window area for altcoins to pump is actually when it's consolidating pretty much sideways. So if Bitcoin is moving like this for a very long time, then dun tayo makita ng pump for altcoins. But right now, you can see now we had a recent breakout, short consolidation, breakout, and right now, I think we are having another short consolidation. If this is the case na every time Bitcoin is stealing the show, then that would mean altcoins will relatively bleed or will underperform against Bitcoin. And you can clearly see dito sa ating 10K challenge na ginawa natin. So that's why I've allocated more money in Bitcoin rather than altcoins. And you can see na our portfolio is currently nadadala sila ngayon dahil kay Bitcoin. And let's say if we just only invested in Bitcoin alone, mas mataas yung ating profit actually kasi, of course, kaya umunti yung profit natin kasi hati-hati yung ating allocation. So you can see now we are just only 3% up in profit. And this is the reason why over-diversifying is not good then. It's because you don't want to buy each and every asset just for you to realize na yung inyong total gains is small lang as compared sa 2 or 3 coins lang na susundan mo. Possible na mas mataas pa yung makuha mong gain. So that is why mapapansin nyo din, mas focus ako sa mga konting coins, diba? And yeah, we can swing trade with different altcoins, but the reason why we follow the major coins most of the time, it's because over-diversifying can be misleading sa inyong mga total gains. So yeah, that's for the 10K challenge, and you can see na the Bitcoin dominance is still going up. You could recall guys, whenever the dominance is going down, altcoins will perform better, but if the dominance is going up, then dun mag-perform better si Bitcoin. Altcoins will relatively bleed against Bitcoin. So right now, the Bitcoin dominance is currently increasing pa din. So this is not good for altcoins. Looking at the altcoin season index, you can see na we are currently in a Bitcoin month. So right now, altcoins are underperforming against Bitcoin. So if I were you, you should be focusing more on Bitcoin in the coming days. Kasi right now we are in a Bitcoin season eh. And the moment na tuloy-tuloy lang si Bitcoin umaakyat, ito, pakita ko dito sa inyo guys. The moment na tuloy-tuloy yung pag-akit ni Bitcoin dito, then in that case, dapat ang mga fino-focus yung asset ngayon is on Bitcoin at hindi sa mga altcoins masyado. Of course, there will be some altcoins na akit din na siguro may mangyayari sa kanilang events or kung ano-ano mga reasons ng pump. But yung general sentiment of the whole crypto market is really with Bitcoin if we are going to see an all-time high or magbe-break tayo kay Bitcoin. So, ito yung window area kung saan tayo nakita ng altcoin season. Ito yung window area kung saan nag-altcoin season din. So, you can clearly see guys na each and every opportunity, yung window area na kung saan nagpe-perform lang yung altcoins better is whenever Bitcoin is giving them the chance. So, right now, Bitcoin is stealing the show and you should be focusing more with the Bitcoin price action. But let's give you a quick update sa mga altcoins natin. Tapos tingnan natin yung kanilang mga movement. You can see na Ethereum is still consolidating dito at the $3,500 US. We still have a major resistance na we are watching, which is this area. I'm going to add more Ethereum if mabreak natin to. You can also see Cardano is also consolidating. So Cardano has that habit of consolidation. So you can see na we are still consolidating sideways even though na-break natin tong falling channel. But the problem with this falling channel is wala tayong buy volume. That's why we are not expecting a massive pump yet. Siguro if na-break natin tong resistance na yun, then dyan tayo makita ng movement for Cardano. And VeChain is also consolidating sideways. You can see na everything is actually moving sideways for the altcoin market. It's just that si Bitcoin lang talagang consistent na umaakyat for the past few days. And that is why we should follow more with the Bitcoin price action. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, I highly suggest you trade it with Bingbon and Phoenix. Kasi dito kay Bingbon and Phoenix, dito may pinakamurang fees na pwede mo makuha for Bitcoin trading kasi sa Binance, mahal mag-trade ng Bitcoin. So medyo mas lugi ka pa dun if let's say nag-long or short ka ng Bitcoin, mas okay dito sa Bingbon and Phoenix. And as you can see, I still have my long position open then with Bitcoin dito sa Phoenix. And regarding altcoins, naka-open pa din yung position ko with Ethereum. I will let you know guys if nag-close ko na siya. But for the time being, nag-take profits lang ako partially along the way. And yeah, so if you want to get trading bonuses dito sa ating mga trading platforms, just use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So ayun muna update natin for today guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.